All right, next up we have the wetlands. Now, the wetlands are actually pretty surprising. A wetland, to be considered a wetland, only needs 6 inches of rain per year. Now, that doesn't mean that some wetlands get a lot more rain, but that's all it's required to make a wetland a wetland. Average temperatures of the wetlands are between 30 degrees Fahrenheit and 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Like I said, the water, it doesn't even have to have that much rain per year to be considered a wetland. What's interesting is that the soil has to be water saturated. All that soil is it's like soaking up that water and just kind of holding it there. Also, a wetland needs to have special plants, hydrophytes, or water-loving plants. Any kind of plant that does not do well in a lot of water would not do well in the wetlands. Typical weather patterns of the wetlands, warm summers and cold winters. Some common organisms you would find in the wetlands include frogs, deer, those hydrophytes or water-loving plants. So go ahead and choose one of the shapes to draw your picture in, and I will do the same. Here's the picture that I drew of the wetlands. Again, yours can look like mine, or it can look like something else. I'm just going to put a little reminder, maybe over here on the side. Wetlands. Okay. 2 more. Way to go, guys.